Ndeewon, aha m bụ Igbo. Kedu ka ị mere? Today, I'll teach you alphabets, Igbo language alphabets. Alright? Okay. Taa, m ga-akụziri unu ABD Igbo. Taa, m ga-akụziri unu ABD Igbo. Ị nụla ya? I'll teach you Igbo language alphabets today. Okay, are you ready? Your writing pads, your jotter, your pen, your paper, anything you want to jot down with or write down with. I hope you are ready. All right, let's get right into it. A, A, B, B, Chi, Chi, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, W, W, Y, Y, Gui, Gui, He, I, Z, Z, K, B, B, Qui, Li, Mi, Ni, Nge, Nwi, Ni, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Alright dear, try to repeat after me. If I pronounce any alphabet, you try to pronounce it with me. Alright? Okay, let's do this. A, B, Chi, D, E, F, G, W, Y, Gui, He, I, J, K, B, Qui, Li, Mi, Ni, Nge, Nwi, Ni, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Alright, okay. If you want to know it very well, if you want to master ABCD in Igbo language, we call it ABCD in Igbo language, you have to continue practicing. Alright, if you continue practicing, you will master it, you will learn it and learn how to pronounce it very, very well. All right? Okay. All right, loves. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to your friends, and see you next time. Okay? God, Ogoza.